Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. Yesterday was a sale, I think. Yes, so in Tokyo was a sale for three sale plus 93 pips. Yesterday was a beautiful sale. Unfortunately, again, the price give us some pips, almost 100 pips. Um, Espera, por favor. The sale was around 51.88, something like this. Well, as you can see, give us a beautiful reaction. Many pips, many pips. I don't know why the people from Pakistan always they when they contact they call. I don't know. I don't understand, to be honest. If I don't answer instantly, they start calling. And well, of course, I block that people. So well, that's great. That's great. But again, guys, if you call me because I'm not answering, I would block you. Sorry. So intense, so stubborn. Oh, well, now it's waiting, just waiting the candle confirmation into the sun. Let's see what we have for the next minutes. So it's pure patience, okay? Beautiful week. Almost 1,000 in positive. Beautiful reaction into the bison. So let me read the chat. Pikachu is here. Sapek is here, my friend. Welcome. Marcos, my friend. Nice to see you here. Pablo, mi amigo. Pura vida, mi amigo. Daniel, buenos días. Bendiciones para usted también. Kathleen, how do you identify these zones? I use the daily 4 hours and 1 hour charts. I burned my account, Larita, just when I enter my position early. The price dump. I burned my account. So sad. My friend, what happened with the stop loss? What happened with the stop loss? Love from India, sir. A pleasure. Aquí estamos todos los días. Popa, mi amigo. Excelente. Yeah. I should ask, please, quiet. Don't spam the account. What happened with the stop loss, guys? If you use the stop loss, probably you will not burn any account, okay? So, well, let's focus here. Let's focus here. Now we need to see the retracement. Vamos a ver, aquí está un minuto. Cerca del 70. So let's see the retracement. Waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. So please be clear of that. Waiting the retracement. Kathleen, Kathleen, after the entry, we'll explain the entry and the sons. Now try to be focused in the position, okay? We got a beautiful confirmation. Now we need the beautiful retracement. Carlito, again, this is a volume by some in 1 hour. As you can see, when I start the streaming, I share the position here. There was the buy some, but well, I just can't go there and for the buy for if the price touch the buy some and then I'm going to open the trade. No, that's not trading. You know, you need to wait the confirmation. Well, at least in my strategy, I need to wait the confirmation. Now the confirmation is there. It's a pin bar reaction. Now we need to wait the retracement around 50.70. Okay, so try to be clear of that. Truce, my friend, welcome. Chung Lee, nice to see you here. Where do you find this? Okay. Yes, guys, the ones who burn the accounts is because don't use the stop loss. Don't use the stop loss. Um, every day I came here and I said like the most important thing in the most important thing it's the it's the stop loss. Sorry, I forget the idea. It's the stop loss, guys. So well, We are back with the XELLION platform, the data center for the ones who provide the service and everything. Suffer an attack in Emirates. Well, it was difficult. Now they have another provider from other country, and everything works perfectly. Remember, I was using as a backup the account for the MT5. So well, now the balance is around 1,000 in positive. Let's see if something is good. I will try to do some withdrawal, not that much. Mm, but let's see. It depends of this position. Okay. But yes. Just lucky the trade time. Yes. Okay. When I enter, I don't put the stop loss. At the same time, I manually put after my entry, but I always stop loss now. I learned my lesson. Well, that's the good thing. You are seeing this unlucky situation, as John Luke saying, as a lesson. That's important. Next time, you are going to do it better and don't commit the same mistake. Omega, I'm gonna read the selling work with Trading View. They have a provider, and that provider give you the this app, this beautiful platform. It's worked pretty much as a Trading View. It looks pretty similar as a Trading View. For that reason, you will see pretty similar, and very smooth to share the streaming like this. They're having some issues with the provider. Now the provider is another one. Continue with the same service, so it's okay. It happens. It happens with the war situation. Things what you, you don't think what's going to happen happens, and well, trade logic awaiting the retracement. At least minimum 50-70. Um, Here is pure patience, guys. I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult, and some people don't like it. Pure patience. I don't use the buy limit. Again, I don't use the buy limit. I just try to weigh the position and then I open the position. Daniel, Eli, mi amigo, bienvenido. Ahorita okay, thanks, sir. 25 profit. That's beautiful. That's great. No, I don't use the buy limit. So at this moment, six trades, just one stop loss during the week. So it's beautiful, beautiful week. March starting really nice. Daniel, ahorita tú me recomiendas cuentas de fondeo o prefieres capital neto. Para capital neto, mínimo unos entre 500 a $1000. Mínimo, ¿verdad? Entonces, ya por debajo de eso, bueno, 400 está bien. Pero ya por debajo siento que es muy poco y que el proceso va a ser bastante despacio, así que probablemente al final se queme la cuenta. Por lo tanto, recomendaría cuenta de fondeo si no tienes ese capital. Luego de que la cuenta de fondeo pase el challenge y generar ese capital. ¿Ok? A mí me ayudó esos últimos 3 años estar trabajando con cuentas de fondeo, generar capital y bueno, aquí estamos. Entonces, bastante, depende mucho del capital de lo que tengan por ahí. So, guys, and remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options and really good discounts for you and the different platforms, different brokers, what you can use. There is many options there. So just go, click into the link. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. So be clear of that. You can go there and always read the information first before apply any challenge or any instant funding. Okay. So let's see. Retracement, guys. Retracement. Any information about prop firms, guys, just go into the link. There you will see everything. Loretta, your voice lower when speak. Well, this is because my. Okay. Well, I'm going to be focusing to the trade, guys. Okay. Mhm. It tests the 5071 and go. Let's see if we can find another retracement. 120 pips in less than 1 minute. Well, 2 minutes. We got some high impact news today. So okay. Fifty eighty. It's not a good point. Again, minimum 50-70. It's the point what we need. 51, 50-71 looks great too. So let's see. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Voy a tomarme otra. Okay. Come on, just we need 2, 3 candles. Waiting. I know it's difficult, but we are waiting. Pablo, Pura vida, mi amigo, pura vida ahí por el apoyo. 2500 es la primera vez que me dona un tico, la verdad. 2500 y que sale en la moneda, 2500. Excelente. Pablo, muchísimas gracias, mi amigo. Te lo agradezco montones. 2 años. Y bueno, primera donación. Siempre viene la primera vez. Excelente, man. Gracias, gracias. Guys, I'm trying to be so patient, I'm trying to be so patient because the market conditions is a difficult market conditions. Uh, well, how can I explain this? Because that's make me angry, when the price give us a reaction just for 10 or 20 pips. And well, remember, I'm not into the position, right? I was trading the 50, 70 at least. To be honest, I prefer to open the long position, not the sell zone. But if the price go, if we don't have um, the um, the retracement, I'm going to open the long position, guys. Be clear of that. Bendiciones, Pablo, para usted también. Y excelente, sí, 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 todo es aceptado. Gracias, amigo, una birrita. No, una birrita. Una pilsen. Do you have a crucible? No, my friend. It's just the market and it's just the structure. Simple structure. And guess no trade for today. We have many hours to take at least one entry. We watch this one, but this better to watch those good as bro. Being great, perfect. I try to open Cellium. If you use the link, you don't need the referral code, my friend. If you use my link, you don't need the referral code. So because the link is for the referral. If you open the account and everything, um, well, you don't need the referral because it's already referenced. And me for that reason, the web didn't accept the code, my friend. Okay, it's going back. It's going back. Nasdaq and gold most of the time have the same direction for some minutes. We're in New York session. Mhm. So well, waiting the retracement. Okay, let's see. I'm seeing consolidation in 1 minute. Looks interesting. Patiently waiting for exactly. The thing is, we are seeing two dodges, two dodges here into this point. Tomorrow, NFP, yes. Today we have some information today. Marcelio, welcome, my friend. Linda, I don't think we will see the 5,000 today, to be honest. But well, it depends of this buy sum. If the buyers lose this position around 50, 70, we will see 5,000, or but first we need to check the 50, 35. So let's see, it depends of the conditions. Estamos esperando la entrada, estamos esperando esos 2 minutos de retroceso, esperemos para ver qué nos deja. Y si no, punto tentativo 50.76, 50.71 podrían ser los puntos. Esperemos a ver qué pasa. Let's see what happened. Pure patience. Two scenarios. What happened? The price go up and then we arrive to the sell zone. That's the first scenario, or just the second scenario. The price go back to our point of entry, 50.70, 50.65, and we can open the long position. Okay. Let's see. Good evening from South Africa. We already get your next set up and go perfect. What is the stop loss, my friend? I'm not into the position. I'm waiting. For that reason, uh, the price is going back. The price is going back. Finally, the price is going back, so it's time to be ready. Remember, use the proper lot size for your account because we are in times for high volatility. market structure. So please be clear of that. We need to use the candle, the correct lot size for your account, guys. Please be clear of that. Okay, perfect. The price is trying to go back to the 5080. Okay. Just some candles more. Just some candles more. 5071, 5072, 5068. I think the point it's around 5075 could be the point. No, I know, guys. It's difficult. It's being really difficult for me now because I already want to open the position since I don't know 50 minutes ago. I really want to open the position. Just sharing why we don't trade US oil. Go to US oil, my friend, and open a long position and hold it. I try to trade, give the opportunity for the people into the Discord, but not too much people is interested in oil to the Discord. Vamos a ver, Linda and Tolak. We're waiting 5076. Let's see. It's a game of patience, guys. A game of patience. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Qué manera. Spector. Dun, dun, Qué manera. So I try to be patient, guys. That's all. That's all. I'm seeing many people like very trying to the entry level, and everything, guys. If we don't have the retracement, we have the sales on there. I'm waiting. Nora, yes, it's personally the Telegram. I just control the Telegram just in case. And the Telegram looks like this. Pretty simple. Here I have the order. Here I have the orders. For example, today nothing. New York session limited the charge for continuum. This is Tokyo session. Tokyo session, preparing short position goal, waiting the retracement. I give them the order, and our point of entry for yesterday was a sale in 51.88. That's 76. Unfortunately, it didn't. It take my B. Well, it just was a TP 193. Some people hold the position, a full take profit, and I received report for more than 800 pips in positive. Same as yesterday, TP1, TP2, the point of entry. This is how it looks like. Pretty clean, very easy to understand. Very, very easy to understand. If you want to be part of the community, just go there. The price is $169. It's not for free, so just be clear of that. Okay, guys, the position is done. So it's time to wait. It's time to wait. Yes, I really want to open the trade around 50.70. That's the problem, you know. The retrade wasn't enough to take that position. Why I want to open the away the 50.70? Because that pin bar reaction, it looks like it receives a reaction here and then another reactions here in that tails. For that reason, I was not that comfortable with that candle. But let's see. We have the our sell zone here. Let me check this. Let me check here. Okay, here. This is the zones what we have for today. Of course, we're using the volume buy sum here to this candle, and for that reason, we are seeing a reaction here. Now we got this for okay. This is the sell zone here. Good pressure for buffer sellers. Inclusive here. Let me check here the correct poly bias. There it goes. Okay, 51.40. So we're sell zone. So let's see what happened yesterday. The sell zone here works perfectly. Works beautiful. Beautiful, was a beautiful sum. 51.90, and it gave us a beautiful reaction. Now we are waiting these two sent 51.40 and 51.70. Let's see what happened. With this candle, we don't have any other volume because the 1 hour candle will end in as a doji. Okay. So yes. It's difficult when you see a good entry, when you see a good position and everything, and then just the price to go and give us the reaction with not too much positions, for. But well, it's part of trading, guys. It's part of trading. Missing entries. It's part of trading. Every day I miss a lot of entries, guys. Now it's a difficult position, but well, um, it's pure patience, guys. It's pure patience. I want to say something different, but it's pure patience, guys. That's all. Mhm. Mm. If 1 hour close below, that's mean we'll go down. No, that means we have an indecision. At this moment, we're out of the suns, guys. For that reason, we are not going to take any position because what is the problem here? What is the problem here? We touched the 5072 and then it did 3,000 pips in 30 minutes. So I like your shirt. Perfect, my friend. Thanks. I really enjoyed this shirt. It's one of the my favorite ones. I really enjoyed this shirt to Pokemon. If price can break the 5120, I think we're still sell direction, Lorito. To be honest, if we continue with the war situation, we're not seeing prices lower than 50, 45, or something like this. Just if something changed, at least for this week. At least for this week, I'm not thinking we are seeing prices around 50 50 35 30 35 or something like this. Hmm. Okay. Price is going back. Price is going back again. For that reason, it's important to wait always. 49.95 for sure, bro. No, no, I don't think so. But well, open your short if you are pretty sure for the 49.95. Is it valid? Yes, is it valid? But if the price don't touch the 50.70, even with that reaction, we are not going to open the trade. So let's see. Let's see. 50.77. Okay. So testing again the 50.75. So it's time to be ready. Okay, the price is stuck there. $50.79. Looking so far. $50.72 could be a good point. $78. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account, guys. Use the correct lot size for your account because we are into the high volatility market conditions. And for that reason, it's better to understand it's a must to use the correct lot size or reduce the lot size for your account. Okay. Okay, 74. It's continue giving us the reactions. Okay. Got the accumulation there. 50.81. Come on. Okay, let's try the 50.75. Okay. Near to that point. Let's wait this candle for end the 50-minute candle. Okay. 'Kay, the new candle is coming. $83. Okay, 82. Okay, let's try the position there. Let's try the position there. Let me see. Okay, here. Okay, good. Entry. 76. Looks like kind of strong point. 75 now. Let's see if this candle is going to end there. Let's go there. Okay, the position it's open. Okay, enterprise 5077. 5077. 5077, then 57. Let's see where the 50. No, that's 60. 61. Position it's there. $50, 61 is your stop. No more than that. No more than that. Okay. TV2. Remember, take care of your positions because they hide volatility conditions, guys. Hide volatility conditions. That's now, so it's a difficult situation with that, okay? Full TP 15 0 8. So let's see. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account. It's very important to use the correct lot size for your account, guys. 1593. Let's see. Zero ocho. Uno, dos. Uno, dos. We need a good reaction in the next minutes. Going back. One candle for hard retracement. We need something good in the next minutes. 68. Let's see. Okay, trying to going up again. Reaction for buyers, but we need more, of course. Eh, We need more for that. Let's see. It's going back again. Hmm. It's not looking good. Candles for around 100 pips. Yeah. 50, 66. In the next 5 minutes, we need to see a very good reaction for buyers if we want to continue. If you take the position, now it's the same stop loss 50, 61, 50, 60 maximum. Don't risk with this type of markets, okay? Mm, Going back. Looks so strong the positions for the sellers. Let's see. Last 4 minutes and probably we will hit the stop, guys. So be ready for that. $51.61 is our point. If we don't see a reaction now, in the next 4 minutes, we will hit the stop. So remember, the stop loss is there for one reason, to protect our accounts. Mhm. Buyers trying to defend the point, but not too much energy. We need more, of course. It hit the stop, guys. It's don't hold positions. Stop loss hit. Don't hold positions. The stop is there. Nothing to do. The reaction here wasn't good. And probably in the next 30 minutes, it wants to test the 50-35. 35, yes, here. So, well, mm, second stop of the week. So buy minus 5 pips. Cuatro dieciocho. Eso sería esto sexto. 6, 7, 4, 8. So, well, not too much to do, guys. It's in a stop hit. Stop hit. Background. So, well, let's try to recover in the next 30 minutes. I will try it on the second position. It depends for the next 30 minutes if we give us some structure or no. And well, this is the market conditions. Not too much to do. Let's see. 7 trades, 2 stop loss. For gold is 5 trades. No, sorry, 6 trades and 2 stop loss for this week. Perfect. So, well, guys, I'm going to eat something and back. Relax. Respect the stop loss, please. Respect the stop loss. Try to understand. The stop loss is there for one reason. What reason? Protect our accounts. So don't wash the accounts, please. So be clear of that. Okay. So respect the stop loss. Respect the stop loss, please, please, please. Stay there. I'm going to eat something, and I'll be back for clarify what is going to happen. Again, our position is taken, so please don't hold positions in negative. Okay, don't hold positions in negative because probably it want to test the 50-31. Perfect. Clear with that? So I'm going to it. I'm back. So well, back. So well, probably if I take the 70, that was the original point what I want to take. We survived to the position. Well, I don't wait the enough time. I don't wait the enough time. Two, three candles more, and probably it was a better position. So let's see. Let's see. We got another opportunity for take the position. Jesus Christ. Let me date the charts here. Okay, we got this 89. So we have two options here. I'm going to wait 30 minutes more to clarify the position. So, well, unfortunately, guys, the stop was hit from the last position. Well, the retrace was a little deep. I didn't wait the correct retracement. I opened the position in a ground point. If I open the position around 50, 70, now the position will be road to take the in profit for around TP1. But well, nothing happens. Well, these six trades in gold, two stop loss for this week. Now it's time to wait. Now it's time to wait. Let's see if we are seeing the retracement. Where the 70? 70 is here. It's time to wait for clarify the position. The difference. What is the difference between buy some and the sell some? Into the sell some, we need to wait the confirmation, and into the buy position, just we need to wait the retracement. Uh, yes, I believe in God. Buenas, Laurito. No llegué a no, te pide anoche en Argentina, ya era tarde y me dormí. Bueno, sí, sí, durmió. Eh, si no, si se durmió y dejó el trade abierto, debería estar en un gran profit. Just stick your guns for perfect. Don't overthink. Yes, I don't overthink. Let's continue. My buy was in 63. Your targets were right. Perfect, my friend. You overthink this trade? Yes, I overthink the last position. Um, I didn't hold the. I didn't wait the correct point. I opened the trade out of the sun, thinking the price probably would give us a reaction, but no, of course not. And that thing happens, Sometimes the market gives us a um, profit instantly, or no way the others. Sometimes it's like this, like you don't wait the correct time. If I wait, for example, let me see. Uh, okay, we start here. 77. If I wait one candle, just a simple candle, 2 3 minutes more, and take this accumulation in that point, everyone here would be in profit. But well, that thing happens. Let's see. Tomorrow going to 55. Dove, McDuff. Probably yes. No, I don't think we are going to see the 55 this week. Exactly. Yes, Luca, you're right. At this point, I because I'm seeing some reactions. some retracement, and for that reason, I take the decision for open the trade around 50.76. But well, that thing happens. There wasn't a stop. The idea was correct, but it wasn't a stop loss. Market so bad. Okay, down 3%. My second step China's month in May 8% trading. Robin, yes, for that reason you need to reduce the lot size, my friend. Reduce the lot size because today we got a high impact news plus war and market conditions. It's going to be difficult. Tal vez llegue a 51, sí, probablemente. Veremos. Trust me, just this one last day. Perfect. Just position too. Because yes, it's easy to say like yes, I hold my position in trust. This is for you. I hold my position and now I'm positive, but you need to respect the stop loss if you want to be um a good trader. You need to respect the stop loss. Or if you have I don't know, at least 80,000, 90,000, you can open a long position and just that's all. Hold your long position. Mm. Muchas carpetas rojas mañana para el dólar. Va a estar muy volátil, sí. Va a estar complejo. And I told you guys this week is going to be very difficult. So always be clear of that. My parents racing thinking I don't know what they're talking about. Plix Sunway Go is dropping from 54 because the news didn't give us something new, and that's all. Are you looking for to short? It depends. If the price go back to our sell zone, remember the sell zone, it's there. Um, there I going to I'm going to try it. Okay, the difference. Sell some, we need to wait the confirmation. Okay, for buy some, just we need to wait the retracement around 65. That is the difference. How much I lose in trading for this entry was so difficult, you know. Around $600 today, plus the funded account, a little more for around 7,000. But well, I am I trust in my entry, but the volatility is like this, guys. The volatility is like this. Oh, it's great. Yes, it's great. Do you check oil? Yes, oil. Probably we will go to $200 with oil. Oh, okay. These candles are trolls when it's going opposite direction is so fast. Yes. It's not trolling, it's just the volatility, guys. Volatility. You have only 5 subscribers on Telegram. Is that your real account? No. Remember, guys, my Telegram is a private channel. If you want to receive the access, you need to pay for that. It sounds rude, but it's a business. So you can find my channel for free into the Telegram. Thanks for the answer. It's a pleasure. Can you tell me about the confirmation? Now we are waiting. We are waiting again. 7,000. Is it your personal account? Yes, this is my personal account here. This morning I was up to 3,000. Well, last week I was in negative for around 2,000. Then I recover. Then I do some a withdrawal for $350, and today it's in negative. Well, not in negative, it's still in positive for 3,000. But I was this morning in positive for around $9,000. But well, it's the my personal account, Sum Up Trades. The old members, well, the members for this month saw this account in 8,000 um, in balance. They might recover it. So well, that happens. That thing happens. It's trading. Not every trade is a win. We all know this. DMV. I know some most of the people understand I can win. All the trades. But when I win, for example, when I win, the people into the WhatsApp and the people into the Telegram, the new members is like mm, when I win, the people don't say nothing. Stay quiet. But when I lose, I already received some messages like, "Bro, what's happening?" I don't know. And I explain, bro, with this week we did 7 trades and we lose 2 positions, so it's part of it. Um, that happens. That happens. But just I know the people who always share me the information, even if they win or if they lose. I know the people who they share me the information. But I know the people for the panic. The panic people. It's more than the quiet people. I blow. Okay. I blow 6K for my savings 1 month. Or negative 9 for liver increase recurring. Look your dynamics. Sum up trades. My friend, again, my stop loss. Use the stop loss, my friend. Of course, probably in position like this, if I don't use the stop loss, probably now I'm in a positive for around 1,000 or $600. But that's not no sense, because it's that's not trading. Don't use stop loss. Is not trading. I know people don't like stop loss, but here in this channel, my best friend name is stop loss. If you don't like the stop loss, guys, here in front of 8,000 people, I'd invite you to unfollow me, and don't come here into the channel if you don't like the stop loss. The stop loss is our best friend. How are you feeling, bro? You lose $600 in one trade. Nothing happened. Nothing happened, my friend. It's $6,600. I will recover it. Thanks, my friend Lewis. I always going to share my wins, and I always going to share my $655 was the lose. I always going to find the stop loss. I'm going to share the stop loss. I'm going to share the wins too. It doesn't matter what happens. I'm going to stay here in front of you guys, even if I lose, even if I win. I'm going to stay here. Okay. Maybe we enter it too soon. Yes, we enter very soon. It was my mistake. For sure, it was my mistake. Because if I respect the first point, the 50, 70, um, we were in positive. But well, that was my fault. And every day we are going to commit that type of to to mistakes, guys. It's very difficult to clarify the position. Of course, after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, clarify the position. It's easier because you already have the information, right? But well, do you think about those people? Don't think about those people. I don't think of those people. It's okay by my side. The person who wants to trade and does not accept that loses is better than not trading. Exactly. It's impossible to win the 100% entries. What is the problem? The problem, by my opinion, it's the people who generate content. Like in Telegram, YouTube, TikTok generate content, and there I always winning. Of course, I really want to say like the Mr. President told us, I'm tired of winning. Of course, I'm not tired of winning. I'm tired of this market. Because this market conditions, it's for all the decisions what the United States and the other countries are doing around the world. And thanks for that, we have this volatility market. Um, and well, however, again, it's impossible to win all the trades. It's impossible to every weeks. It's all the wins, and it's impossible to all the months being very easy. We are going to have a really bad days. We are going to have a really bad months. We are going to have really bad weeks too. Just we need to again and again and again reduce the stop loss, reduce the lot size, reduce. It depends of your accounts. It's so painful, but well, it's painful. But well, again, for that reason, now I have an agreement. The agreement. If you want to be into my community, and explain there very clear, like I'm going to lose positions and I'm going to have a really difficult times. So it's up to you if you want to be part of the community, and it's up to you if you want to be into the transmission, of course. It's better share from here. Now we are waiting the retracement, guys. Esto gigante. Where we wait in the middle of this candle and get the confirmation. Patience and learn how to distribute the capital is very important. Trade is gambling. Better stop exactly. You're into a trade? No, I'm not into a trade, guys. This is too much winning. I can't believe Lewis don't see that video. So famous. Mr. President, I'm tired of winning. The market tests your patience more than your strategy. Exactly. Exactly. If we got the patience here, probably we will have a very good trade. But well, So well, for the ones, so the people who want to understand what we are talking about, we're talking about this video. I shared it into the chat. Too much winning. It's beautiful. You may even get tired of winning. Please, please. Well, something like Trump, he's saying he tell that disclosure with by his heart, you know. So well, yes, probably with Trump, you can go for a beer or something like that, and you will have a really good time, you know. If you go to party with Trump, so but yes, thanks God for Trump. We have this volatility to the market conditions. So let's see. I'm going to wait 30 minutes more for see if we have the reaction here or not. So let's see. Mhm. Okay. So trust. If you don't like the position, just don't take it. This is shooting and starting in 3 minutes. Please check. I don't use 3 minutes, my friend. Divina. So the price is going back. It's riskier. Yes, it's riskier. It's risky. It's a risky position. Yes, it's a risky position. This is correct. That's making lower low, and many sellers go to up there. Careful on the next buy. Yes, take care. If you don't like the position, just don't take it. Okay. Use the correct lot size for your account, guys. It's pretty simple to use the correct lot size. It's going to the same point. So let's be ready. It's 35. Great. Estamos aquí. Mhm. Good. Waiting. Remember, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Here, what we are waiting? Some one, two candles more here, like looks like a consolidation there. For give us a strong point of entry. That's what we are waiting for. Waiting the accumulation in 1 minute. Waiting the accumulation in 1 minute. So let's see. Let's see. The price is trying to stay around there. 50, 60. Okay, looks like a nice strong point. And the price go back to 60, 50, 60. Just some retracement more. A little more. Okay, new candle. Some retracement. That's good. 64. Okay, let's try to be there. Going to open the position now. I already shared the signal there. Let me open here. Okay, let me wait a little more for this position. I was waiting at least 65. 69. Okay. Good. Mm-hmm. Trying to be there. Not the best point. 68. But well, this is the point what we have. This is the point what we get. Open positions. Let's see the 15. At least 50. And now it's giving us a retracement 1 minute later. Okay, let's see the point. 50, 68, that 47. 50, 52. 50, 52, that 50. Let's stop there. 50, 52. That 15. The 40 p.m. 8. 08 otra vez. Aquí. Okay, let's see. Let me work into the TPS. Now it's a reaction from working candle. Probably wait one candle was a good option. But well. Okay. 50, 83, that's 50. 52, 50, 88. 3, 15, 95, 51, 05. TP1, 50, 83. Position it's open, working into the TPS. Yes, 95. 3. So let's see, we need to stay there. Price is trying to defend the 50.63, so that's a great. That's good for us. Let's see. The next candles, of course, we need to test the 50.76 first. Let's see what happened there. Okay. course, you can get a better position than me. 50, 64, 50, 63, 50, 60 inclusive. But try to use the same stop. The 50, 52, 50, 50, 50, 49 maximum if you get a better position, okay? If not, say use the same position, the same stuff, 50, 52, that 50. Going back to our point of entry. Full es este 51.05. Ocho, ocho, 9, 5. Debería estar en 9, 4, 9, 3. Vamos ahí. So let's see, trying to test the point of entry. Let's see the reaction there. Okay. Going back. Somebody. Trying to pass the point of entry. Of course, the point of entry now looks difficult because it's a point of reaction for sellers. Let's see what we have in the next minutes. Your patience. Trying to stay there into the point of entry. Again, if you feel the stress, if you don't like the trade, don't take it. If you take the trade by mistake, so don't take the position. Um, well, it depends of you guys. I'm holding the same position, no problems, just holding. It's going to test the 50-60. Mm. 8 minutes. Price still there, trying to go up. We need to pass that point. The 50-65 is a must. Mhm. 50-61. 62 again. I prefer to stay there, and the last 5 minutes give us a really strong reaction for buyers, of course, not for sellers. So let's see. Last 7 candles. Mm. Going back to 60. For the last 6 minutes, let's see. We need to see something good. Mhm. 58 at this point. 59. Last point of reaction is 50, 55. So this is the last 5 minutes, so we need something good now. Let's see this 5 minutes. We need green reactions at these 4 minutes. Pretty close to our stop. Not too much possibilities. Really good reaction now, but we need more, of course. It's not enough. It's not enough. Losing the position 50, 59. Last three candles, I think it's important. These three candles continue near to 50, 60. Really, really important. Mm-hmm. 2 minutes. This is the last 2 minutes. $50, 62. Good candle. But of course, we need more. And it continue like this. So well, and in the new candle, it's a doji. Let's see. Now it's important to continue. Pure patience. Let's see if we can retest the point of entry. It's going back so hard. 50s, 58. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Pure patience. Relax. We need to break the 50, 65 and then continue for point of entry and then 50, 70. And then escalate a little more for the TPS. Looks so strong, the reactions for sellers. Probably in one of these candles we can touch the stop. So be clear, 50, 52, it's our stop loss, okay? Be clear of that. We need a good reaction in the next 2, 3 candles. Check the candles in green. Too much volume. Holding the same position. Buyers try to defend the 50, 55. It's the last point of reaction. But at this moment looks very, very, very critical. Point. Stop there, guys. Stop hit there. Second stop for the day. Mhm. Okay, good. So well, the stop is there. Not too much to do. Well, this is the reactions what we have. This is the point of entry what we have. I'm trying to do my best, guys, but well, this it's volatility. It's like this. When I open the position, the price fall around 70 pips and everything. So well, it's part of trading days like this. Um, and well, probably the people who open the trade 50, 60, 50, 55, using different stop. They are now in positive. Just be clear. The the positions is like this. Today is not my day, but really bad day. Close positions. Minus $1,200 in this session, guys. Opening these trades using a little higher the lot size, 0.42, 0.40. And well, it's part of it. Days like today happens every month. So well, I will try to recover. I will try to recover the positions into the Tokyo session. So well, thank you for your time. Thanks for your time too, guys. This is the live account, my friend Saukat. Let's see what we have tomorrow. So well, probably best position 50, 60 as the original point, but well, it's time for accept the results, guys. Let me take the notes here. Vamos a ver. 41, 18 menos. So well, 7, 8 trades during the week. Three stop loss. Three stop loss for 8 trades during the week. So well, let's see what happened tomorrow. Today I risk a little more than the usual. well, it's part of the it's part of the days. I have one bias for you. Keep continuing. Don't change your strategy. No, I never changed my strategy. Just the difficult for today probably was the point of entry. Mm, not the best positions there. Hard reactions when I opened the trade and everything. And well, that thing happens. That thing happens. Not too much to do. Can we try one more? No, guys. That's all. That's all, guys. That's all. And well, this is a difficult point for assume two stops. I'll be back tomorrow for try to do the recover for the people here. Um, for the people into the Telegram, I'll be back in Tokyo session. Tokyo session, guys. So remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options and really good discounts for many different prop firms, guys. So, well, the most trustable prop firm, at least out there, with a really good deals, really good discounts. Just follow the link. There is the options. So just go there, click there, and check the information. Okay, let me read here. 8 minutes. Okay, perfect. I'm starting New York session, guys. New York session. Hi, buddy. Why not to trade after this current time on daily? Well, basically, I take it, but I'm not going to take the position here in 50, 52. For what? No reason. The stop loss is there. The stop loss is there. So well, let's see what we have. Now the price will continue with the uptrend, and let's see what happens. Okay. So for what? That's probably if I will use the 51. No, even in 51 it touched it. The problem was the point of entry. So, well, have a problem opening an account, my friend. Depends of your country. Probably the country is not allowed. So that things will happen. Some countries it's not accepted with Celium. So just be clear of that, guys. The link is into the description if you want to apply for the Celium promotion. There's the link. Bro, I was BS entered too early. Yes, I'm entering. I enter in the correct time, but when I open the position, the price grow up around 40 pips, 40, 50 pips. Well, that thing happens, guys. We need to accept it's part of the high volatility. We need to accept the results. Back tomorrow, guys. See you in the next sessions, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for your time. Sorry for the entries today. The idea was correct, but the timing was a little bad. So so yes, guys, I'm so sorry. Let's come back tomorrow. Back tomorrow with the New York session for the subscribers and for the people, for the big people. I'll be back in Telegram for New York session. Sorry, for Tokyo session. Tokyo session will start in around 8 hours. Perfect, guys. So see you soon. Thanks. Thanks and thanks for the support, guys. Thanks. Remember, the ones who be part of the community, there is the options here. So see you guys. See you and take care.